Straight ahead, Tanner. Straight ahead, buddy. Tanner, straight ahead. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, Bulldogs.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Hunter, get ready. Keegan, get ready. Go, Keegan. Go. Get there, Keegan.
Go, buddy.
There's a hole.
Ethan, go down the line.
Yeah, I think we've only got one kid that can sub in. And he's at, yeah.
Well, you got me.
Yeah, I'll put a helmet on you. I don't know that you'd make weight though, Mike.
Go offense.
The quarterback, Ethan, good arm on him.
Let's go, guys. Get to the line.
Really good arm. He's 48. He's a guard. Go, Tanner! Woo! Good job!
Good play, guys. Defense.
Tanner's the coach's son.
This way. This way. Gavin, run in the backfield, buddy.
Kyle, let's do that play. Get back there. 20
We
bucks.
got half a battery already. This battery is old and yeah, I'm not gonna get the whole game on it.
Go tackle him.
Let's go, defense! Come on, Brandon!
Good man. Good job. All right. Oh, you know what? They don't have to recover.
No.
Oh, it's dead ball.
Yeah, if they fumble the snap, it's dead ball.
Play right here. Gavin, you got to run in the backfield. Run around your blocker. Go.
Yes.
Go.
Good job, buddy. Come on. Woo! Right on.
Back all the way into the quarterback. That's the boy right there.
That's my boy. He's right.
Ride him back.
Let's go, defense.
Coach, I need a sub.
We need someone in.
Yeah, right,
Get in. Go.
Marco,
get in there. Go get the heater.
You put that helmet on, Mike.
Get on the heater. There's a heater right there.
There's no reason you
Little guy.
Get back there, Kyle. Get back there.
Run.
Snap.
Fourth down, baby. Flip that up.
Paint it. Paint the fool. Gavin, keep blitzing. Keep blitzing.
Kyle, get some good blocks.
Gavin, pull your sock up.
You have more yards on defense than
Your sock.
defense.
That's how you do it.
We just keep pushing it back. Big D.
Nothing's still in.
Get in there, get this ball. Around the end, Gavin, around the end.
Go Bulldogs! Woo!
Around the end, go.
Yeah!
Who is that?
That's Brendan.
Nice.
She's not afraid to like go through people.
No, he's not afraid at all. Yeah.
Let's go, Bulldogs.
Michael, you screwed up a lot.
Go there. Go.
Woo! Go Tanner! Go baby, good job!
Good job, Tanner. Yeah. Good run. Outside. Go. Outside in.
Good run, Tanner.
Okay. Fun watch.
You can't lift the ball, Juan. You cannot lift that ball.
It's like, my finger hurts. He goes, you got $9. I don't want to hear it. I'm all, oh my gosh.
That's my theory.
He's like 6. A missing finger is a big thing when you're 6.
I'm thinking it's a pretty big deal at 35.
Right.
Bud, you go ahead.
Upfield, Jack.
You hear that?
Hey, hold on. Come on. Hey.
Kyle, go gap.
No, there you go, Kyle!
Yeah, that's right. Better be scared.
It's a 4.1 penalty.
That's good because we kind of get a lot of those. So. Yeah, almost hit. See in the last one. Oh.
Let's go, Matthew. Get him, Matthew.
Gavin! Let's go, Bulldogs!
Gavin, blitz the edge. Blitz it. He's coming your way, Gavin. Go!
Please don't be on us. Yes. Woo!
There you go.
Take this for your... Go, Pico!
Get him, Gavin.
Get in there!
Go!
Yeah!
Yeah, baby, yeah. Get him. Matthew, he's coming your way. Get him, Gavin.
Let's go, Bulldogs! Right on!
Let's go, Brandon.
Woo!
Play around the edge. Get him, Matthew.
Watch the ball, guys. Watch the
Watch the ball, guys!
Watch the ball. Go, Gavin, go.
Get him!
Holding!
Fourth down.
So any fumble is it?
Gollum is.
Everybody be like, let's sneak him.
Get a block. Hey, boy. Don't let him pass you. Let's go, right? Let's go. Gavin, block him. You're ready.
Come on, Keegan.
Run it back, man.
Go, Keegan, go. Get the ball. Keegan, go. Keegan, jump, boy.
Yeah.
White, move before the kick. White. Block him, guys. Block him. Okay, hey, block him.
Defense over here.
Is this man's fault? Go.
And it would at least be
It definitely worked.
Go, Ken, go! Stand for the heater. That's right. I know.
Get in there, you guys. Get in
Go, Bulldogs!
Go! Move now. Good job, Kevin. Get him, dude. This is a good play. We're all watching you.
Let's go, Bulldogs!